Hey, Burgess here, and we've been asked to find the exact value of tangent of 80 degrees minus tangent of negative 55 degrees over 1 plus tangent of 80 degrees times tangent of negative 55 degrees. So if you ever see this many tangents in a statement like this, there's a fair chance this is one of the tangent identities. And if you have a chart handy, I'm not going to derive it here. This does turn out to be one of them. Sometimes you have to manipulate them a little bit to get it to match the form. But in this case, this is directly equal to tangent of a minus b. That's what this is going to be. So in this case, a is 80, b is negative 55. So we're going to have 80 degrees minus negative 55 degrees. So all we got to do is add 80 to 55. So we're going to have 80, turn it on, 80 plus 55. We're going to get 135. So we want tangent of 135 degrees. So we can find that easy enough. If we look at our unit circle here, and we go ahead and just sort of split it up into the different parts. We know that this is 90 degrees. This is 180 degrees. We can move in units of 30, 60, and 45. We have a 5 here, so we're probably going to need to move in a 45 degree. So if we do 180 minus 45, we get 135. So that turns out to be the exact thing we would like to do. So we're going to get this angle here is 135, and it has the coordinates rad 2 over 2, rad 2 over 2. And the reason we know that is because we've moved 45 degrees this way. So this must be one of the 45 degree lines that matches up with the one over here. Except for in this case, we've gone in the negative x direction. So the x coordinate has to be negative. And if we do tangent, that's just sine over cosine, which would be this over this, or in this case it would actually be the second one over the first one, sine over cosine. So we'd wind up with -1 as our answer. So this one looks kind of horrifying, but as soon as you realize it's got a very simple identity, it becomes almost trivial, much easier to work with. If you have any questions about this, let me know. Subscribe and hit that bell icon for future problems, and we'll catch you in the next problem.